sa ano. Hindi ko siya na-save. The reason never. Ayan, Ma'am Joby, meron akong next song para sa iyo, Ma'am Joby. Next song for you. Ayan, thank you. Hello, shout out po. Salamat sa mga nandyan po. Sa live stream ko, salamat. Tony, Kuya Royce, Ma'am Jovi. Ayan, sa mga nandito po sa live stream sa kabila. Shout out po sa inyo. Sa mga co-host, shout out dyan. Sa mga bisita po sa baba. Thank you. Maraming salamat po for joining us tonight. My next song. Ganda na kayo ng tissue. Ma'am Jovi. Thank you. Did I disappoint you or let you down? Should I be feeling guilty or let the judges frown? 'Cause I saw them before we'd begun. Yes, I saw you were blinded. I knew you had won. So I took that's mine by eternal right. Took your soul out into the night. It might be over, but it won't stop there. I'm here for you if you could only care.